the situation. So sometimes when we get angry, it's important for us to think about where we are and what we're feeling before we respond. Understand? And I'll come back to this, and probably next after school, some of you, I will come back to some of this information, because I see some of you guys together get angry with each other. Okay? All right, so we're going to move into the next video, and just like the last video, I want us to think about it, pay attention, and I'm going to ask some questions after.
Oh no.
Enraged, what?
Hi there, welcome
Hello.
to the Infinity Acceptance Group. I am Matilda,
Okay.
and I'm just super psyched to be taking this journey with you. You're gonna have a blast. I'm really fun. Everybody's so sad about me. Hey guys, say hello to Red, everyone. Hello.
Hi, Red. Hello, birds I won't get to know well.
Hey, apparently somebody didn't get the memo that we like to start on time because you're about 2 minutes late. Don't let it happen again. Hi, my name is Chuck. I'm sorry we got off on the wrong foot. I like you a lot. I can tell.
Okay. Now, Red, would you like to share your story with us?
No, not really.
Well, the court mentioned something about a rage episode at a child's birthday party.
How long is this class anyway?
As long as you make it.
Really? Oh, okay. Gentlemen, very nice to see you and to almost meet you. Probably the nicest part of it is not getting to meet you, in some weird way. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and scoot on back out past those creepy statues and,
Back you go.
sure. No, I can take a seat.
So, in another sense, you are here until I notify the court that your anger issues have been resolved.
Oh, boy.
Share your story with Red.
Me, I am the last guy who should be here. Simple speeding ticket. Judge tells me I was going too fast, so I say, Your Honor, to be honest, I was.